this is a makeup look that I saw, I believe it was Brittany on, no, I'm wrong. This beautiful queen right here, she did this look and I fell in love with it, and I did just kind of a simple recreation. I realized how easy this is even for people who don't work well with eyeshadow, because I didn't even blend out the eyeshadow. It's like patchy, but I think it works perfect for this. So if you are a makeup beginner and you want to do something fun, I think you could literally do this with any color, because you don't really have to worry about blending eyeshadow. You just have to put rhinestones on top before you put the eyeshadow. So if you want to learn how I got it, then please keep watching. Alrighty, so this is the completed New Year's makeup look, and again, you can literally use any color rhinestone that you have. You could do it on black, you could do it on red, you could do it on whatever color. I just think it looks really cool on black. And also, even with the black, like, it would be cool to put like even like blue or something that kind of contrasts the black. I just think that this looked good, and when I saw it I was like, this is the perfect New Year's look. So this is how I would recreate it, with the bleached brows and a little bit of a natural glossy lip, because I feel like if I'm going out somewhere like for a party or even at my own house, I don't want to have to keep reapplying lipstick or anything. I just want something that's going to stay on my lips and last me throughout the night. And even if it doesn't last, it's not a big deal, just because it's like a natural lip stain. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.